sa basic environment and importance of goal programming na I'm going to do an introduction. Yung mga teams, they often have more than one goal. They may want to achieve several, sometimes contradictory goals. In linear programming, the objective function is measured in one dimension only. It is not possible for linear programming to have multiple goals unless they are all measured in same units, and this is a highly unusual situation. Kaya, nag-formulate tayo ng goal programming. Yung goal programming, ito yung approach that establishes a specific numeric goal for each of the objectives and then attempts to achieve each goal sequentially up to the satisfactory level rather than an optimal level. Yung mga example ng contradictory goals ay yung, for example, gusto ni business na ma-maximize yung profit, pero gusto din nila babaan yung labor cost. Yung next example naman is to have a higher quality of product versus to lower the production cost. Now, let's move on to the example.
So, goal programming versus linear programming. In goal programming, we have multiple goals instead of one goals. Kasi sa linear programming, ang focus niya lang is one goal, while yung sa goal programming naman is gumagawa siya ng priority kung ano yung mga goals. Kunwari, marami yung goals. Gagawin niya goal 1, goal 2, goal 3, goal 4. So, yung i-divide niya yun kung ano yung priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, priority 4. Then next is deviational variables minimize. Sa goal programming, minimize niya yung deviational variables. Hindi tulad sa linear programming na nag-maximize siya ng profit or nag-minimize ng cost. Then sa goal programming is nag-satisficing siya instead na nag-optimize. Then sa goal programming is deviational variables are real, while sa linear programming, nire-replace niya yung slack and surplus variables. We have here our problem. We would use our goal programming to solve this problem. So next is we would find what are our goals. So we have 4 goals. Our first goal is to produce a profit of $30 if possible during the production period. And our second goal is to fully utilize the available wiring department hours. And our third goal is to avoid overtime in the assembly department. And the fourth is to meet a contract requirement to produce at least 7 ceiling fans. So, yung nakikita niyo sa gilid, yung D sub 1 negative, D sub 1 positive, yan yung mga gagamitin natin mamaya to make our constraints and functions. So, on our next slide, yan, makikita natin dito is yung ating mga constraints na ginawa. So, yung dx sub 1 plus 6x sub 2 plus d sub 1 negative plus minus d sub 1 positive equals 30 is for the profit, and 2x sub 1 plus 3x sub 2 plus d sub 2 negative minus d sub 2 positive equals 12 is for our wiring. Then 6x sub 1 plus 5x sub 2 plus d3 negative minus d sub 3 positive equals 30 is for the assembly, and x sub 2 plus d sub 4 negative minus d sub 4 positive equals 7 is for the ceiling fans. And then, so meron tayo ditong minimize function which is yung p sub 1, d sub 1 negative plus p sub 2, d sub 2 negative plus p sub 3, d sub 3 positive plus p sub 4, d sub 4 negative. Okay, so here we have our initial goal programming tableau. So, ang gagawin mo lang is, iti-table mo yung ginawa nating function or constraint kanina. Diba, ang ginawa natin is 7x sub 1, 6x sub 2, d sub 1 negative, d sub 2 negative. Ayun, i-replace mo lang yung mga numbers tulad nito. dx sub 1 yung nilagay natin. Tapos, yung quantity sa dulo is kung ano yung result. 30, 12, 30, 7, 7. 7, 0, 12, 30. Then, ganun din gagawin natin sa second goal programming tableau. And, so, eto na yung result natin. So, sa final solution, yung x sub 1 is 0 chandeliers gears produced, x sub 2 is 6 ceiling fans produced. Sa d sub 1 positive is $6 over the profit goal. Sa d sub 2 positive is 6 wiring hours over the minimum set. And sa d sub 4 negative is 1 fewer fan than desired.